You can definitely boost testosterone levels naturally, and with these 3 delicious juicing recipes, you'll have more energy, more strength during workouts, and enjoy a healthier sexual life. Testosterone is a hormone that plays a crucial role in our body, from building muscle mass to maintaining bone density. Testosterone is primarily produced in the testicles in men and in smaller amounts in the ovaries in women. Low levels of testosterone in men may cause reduced sex drive, erectile dysfunction, fatigue, loss of muscle mass, increased body fat, mood changes, and decreased bone density. Women with low testosterone may experience low sex drive, fatigue, menstrual irregularities, and reduced muscle mass. Including these juice recipes in your daily diet will help increase and maintain optimal levels of this important hormone in your body. Recipe 1. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate is a superfood that's packed with antioxidants and nutrients. It's also been shown to increase testosterone levels in both men and women. The reason for this is that pomegranate contains compounds called L-glutanins that inhibit the aromatase enzyme, which converts testosterone into estrogen. By inhibiting this enzyme, pomegranate helps to maintain higher levels of testosterone in the body. To create a delicious pomegranate juice, you'll need a fresh aloe vera leaf, half a cup of chopped beetroot, 2 cups of either pomegranate or Indian gooseberry, amla, juice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Here's how to whip up this revitalizing drink in no time. Begin by gently peeling the outer rind from the aloe vera leaf, revealing around 2 tablespoons of clear aloe vera gel. Make sure the gel is clean before adding it to the mix. Next, grab a blender and combine the vibrant pomegranate or amla juice with the sliced beetroot. Now add the fresh aloe vera gel. Blend everything together until you achieve a smooth and luscious texture. To give it a delightful kick, season the juice with a dash of black pepper. Pour it into a glass and drink immediately. Recipe 2. Pineapple juice. Pineapple is another fruit that's rich in nutrients and enzymes. It's also been shown to increase testosterone levels in men. The reason for this is because pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which has been shown to increase testosterone levels in men. Bromelain helps to boost testosterone production by increasing the levels of luteinizing hormone, LH, in the body. LH is a hormone that stimulates the production of testosterone in the testes. To get all these benefits, here is a refreshing pineapple mint juice you can make. You'll need 2 cups of fresh pineapple chunks, 1 cup of chilled water, a pinch of salt, 15 to 20 fresh mint leaves, and optional sweeteners like sugar or maple syrup. Blend the pineapple chunks and water with a pinch of salt until you get a smooth liquid. To ensure a silky texture, strain the juice to remove any fibrous bits. Now, return the juice to the blender container and add a tablespoon of maple syrup if you like it a bit sweeter. To take it up a notch, toss in the fresh mint leaves and blend everything together for a few seconds, allowing the invigorating minty essence to infuse into the juice. To serve, fill 2 glasses halfway with ice cubes and pour the pineapple mint juice on top. Serve immediately. Recipe 3. Beetroot juice. Beetroot is a root vegetable that's rich in nitrates and antioxidants. It's also been shown to increase testosterone levels in men. The reason for this is because beetroot helps to increase blood flow and oxygen delivery to the muscles. This increased blood flow and oxygen delivery can help to boost testosterone production in men. Additionally, beetroot is rich in antioxidants, which can help to reduce inflammation in the body and improve overall health. For this recipe, you'll need 1 small red beetroot, 1 large apple, or 2 small ones, 2 celery stalks, 1 or 2 carrots, half a lemon or lime, and a small piece of ginger, about ½ an inch, peeled. First, make sure all the veggies and fruits are clean by washing them under running water. Then, peel the beetroot and cut it into long pieces. Remove the core from the apple and chop it into long pieces too. Peel the carrot and chop it, and slice the celery into long strips. Don't forget to peel the ginger. Juice all the ingredients one by one. Pour into a tall glass over some ice cubes and enjoy it. Beetroot juice has a lot of other benefits for the body, as well as some undesirable side effects if you overdo it. Check out this next video to find out what happens when you drink beetroot juice every day.